Welcome, young grammar adventurers, to a world where words come alive and actions truly matter. Arjun, what happened? Everyone just froze. Even the football won't move. Oh, the world has lost its movement. No running, jumping, laughing, or flying. What's missing? The doing power, the verbs. Good morning, detectives. Today, we'll find what makes the world move, the verbs. Are verbs like magic words that make things happen? Exactly. Verbs are action words. They tell what someone or something does. Verbs bring life to every sentence. Without them, everything stands still, just like our playground adventure began. Look, the gardener waters the plants. Waters is a verb. And those kids run and jump, more verbs. Perfect. Every action you see reading, writing, running, dancing is a verb. Verbs can show physical actions or mental ones like think, dream, imagine, or plan. They're truly the powerhouses of language. Verbs also change with time. That's what we call tenses. Watch carefully. The same action word changes to tell past, present, or future, guiding us through the timeline of events. Example, I play, I played, and I will play. See how the verb transforms? So verbs can travel through time. Exactly, they are time travelers of grammar, helping us understand when actions happen. Let's play Act the Verb. Each player picks a word card, acts it out, and others must guess the verb. It's a fantastic way to practice. Pretends to swim. Swim. That's a verb, right? Games make grammar stick because verbs are made for action, and learning should always be an adventure. With verbs back, the world moves again, laughter, play, life. Everything is vibrant and full of energy. Now I get it. Verbs make sentences come alive. Next mystery, adjectives, the describing words. That's our next adventure. See you in class for more grammar fun.